Hey guys, Justin R. for Results Frontier with today's Sales and Marketing Mastery Minute, aka the Revenue Ronin. If you're looking for more revenue for your business, you're in the right place. So today's topic is I'm doing a bit of a semi-deep dive on some of the differences between some of the AI tools out there or LLMs, large language models from a CMO standpoint. So let me just go ahead and show you guys real quickly. I actually recently built an entire application, a SaaS product in about 6 hours. I've never developed any software in my life, never been a programmer. I've done landing pages in WordPress before, landing pages on HubSpot and Salesforce and stuff like that, but never built an entire app. And I was able to build this entire app out in about 6 hours using Lovable and using some other tools like Claude. So let me go ahead and jump into it here. So we want to know uh, from a CEOs and a CMO standpoint, how do we make sense of some of these different LLMs that are popping up very frequently? So you want to simplify it. I'm simplifying it for you guys. So the simple overview is we're going to look at 4 AI tools for automation and creation, right? So there's really two functions, right? You have the automation part, which is the workflows itself, and then you have the creation part, right? So that's how you compartmentalize it. Okay. So as a CMO and CEO, you're likely juggling, ops, content, ideation, and here's a streamlined breakdown of these 4 platforms that we're looking at today. N8N for workflows, Manus for actual AI agents, Lovable for the actual app building, and then Flowwith for creative AI. And each shines in niche areas, but overlaps in boosting efficiency. So here's some quick profile highlights about N8N. It's an open source tool for automating tasks by linking applications like your CRM to email. It can help build visual workflows with 400 plus ready nodes ready to go and add custom code if needed. This is best for ops teams and syncing data across tools, cloud or self-hosted, right? That's one of the things you have to think about is, hey, do I want to host this stuff in the cloud, which is going to cost extra subscription money, and these AI costs and token usage grows, right? So you have to factor that into the cost. Or you want to do self-hosted, or like self-hosted on your own LLM server internally in your company, right? And if you're a company interested in looking at self-hosted solutions, definitely shoot me a message and I can provide some more information about that. Okay, next, Manus. So Manus is like an AI intern that handles complex jobs end to end from a single prompt, like research or site builds in the background. It shows it step-by-step thinking, best for solo or teams, offloading admin without micromanaging. Lovable is more of a chat to app wizard for non-coders. Again, you saw what I was able to build with Lovable, zero code experience. The prompts help walk me through it, even building an entire database, syncing up API keys, etc. Lovable, you basically describe your idea. It spits out working prototypes, front end in React and Tailwind, and back end via the cloud now. And then also, this is really best for quick MVPs to test business ideas, right? Flowwith, visual canvas for brainstorming, upload documents, chat with multiple AIs, organize knowledge like a garden, and it's great for threaded conversations. This is best for content, research teams needing structured creativity. Okay, so here's more of a side-by-side comparison. The main job of N8N is to automate workflows and integrations. For Manus, is to run those autonomous multi-step tasks. Lovable is really prototype quickly, build a website fast, and then Flowwith is really organizing AI for content and research. The big superpower here of each. So N8N, it connects 1,000 or hundreds of apps low code, hundreds. Manus self-plans and executes like a digital worker. I've tested this out. It works great. Lovable builds from plain English prompts, very basic. And then Flowwith is infinite canvas for multi-AI chats and knowledge management. Interface, drag and drop workflow in N8N. Manus, it's a dashboard showing AI's brain. Lovable, it's a simple chat window. And then Flowwith, it's that 2D visual board for threads. I'm going to jump to who loves this, right? Businesses for N8N, businesses streamlining operations, right? Creating workflows. Manus is really for busy execs automating grunt work. I created a whole entire 30-day content calendar, all social media, newsletter, blog content, and PowerPoint with Manus, for example. Lovable, founders validating ideas quickly and launching and then getting good product to market fit. And then Flowwith, this is for like creators and researchers. So really simply put, uh, if you didn't read this, so pick N8N for the plumbing, right? The connections. Manus for delegation of those agents. Lovable for speed building apps and publishing them quickly. And then Flowwith for ideation like a canvas. So start with the free tiers to test. They all have free tiers. And then N8N and Lovable are the most accessible for non-tech leads. Need deeper dives, let me know. I'm happy to help provide more information. One thing we're doing as an agency at the Revenue Ronin agency is really helping businesses tackle the marketing and the content creation piece. That's what we're really good at, using AI ads to really get better results from their ad campaigns and really systemize lead generation and revenue drivers using AI and marketing automations together. So if that's something you're interested in, shoot us a message. We'd love to provide more information, set up a discovery call, and we can jump on a call. Okay. This is Justin R. for Results French, aka the Revenue Ronin. Become a member today of our growing community of sales and marketing mastery. We have 30 members. We'd love for you to become the 31st member. And we have really two main areas: the agency. We have the agency services. And various agency services, sales marketing management us. Okay, guys, and where we do mastermind, and we do daily audio spaces. Okay, this is Justin R. Results French, aka the Revenue Ronin. Stay hungry, stay humble. We'll see you guys at the top.